College Biro section 4 teh kene ke video mentang ini page ya ka question paper jongka grade 4 jongka West Kharsail District TSC West Kharsail District te glada pai ka question ya ka answer key te kiton ki answer key ki bakla te ini page ini compare te kene ke jonga ka de ka set B te marka don hadu set A B and C te set B ka bakla wana ka set A ka to we ro ka don ka jinge pair ka jong bakla ki answer key te ne page te sai thu ma phi ya ka set C and D A ka don ka jing plan ka de ka ju ne kam don ka jing maklai ero te kane de exam de santrik Julai arja arsan te ka de ka set B and in page jingli don tang ar santrik jingli the masan phomang who is the current minister of defense kane ka current minister of defense hajing sha ka de D tang ba kat kum ka answer key ka ai A. S. J. Shankar. To S. J. Shankar umderi current Minister of Defense. Yang tu berde atau A. Sampai kita answer ki yang tu atau A. Te kata kepala te kadai ka D. Rajnath Singh. To who had the ministry responsible for India Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of External Affairs. Kata kabiang who was the candidate for President of India from Meghalaya in 1992? George Gilbert Swell. Kata kabiang who is the current Chief Justice of Meghalaya, Honorable Mr. Justice I.P. Mukherjee, who is the national animal of India, tiger, who wrote the Indian national anthem, Rabindranath Tagore, who is the headquarter of West Kharsail District, Tura, de Arma Kawai, the Borok Arpsantali, San Phomang, which is the longest rivers in India, today Ganga. What is the meaning of the word Meghalaya, Abad of Clouds, Kabiang, Guinea? Which country shares a border with Meghalaya, to Bangladesh, to Kabiang, Kamdon Baklare? What is the name of the dance form of Mizoram, to Cherao, Kabiang? Hangne, Kadon Gajing Bakla, Sachak. Which state is known as the land of the hidden valley? Kamamo, Hakaset B, Hangne, I answer, Bagade D, Sikkim, then Re Hakaset A, Kaju Gajingali, Ka I Pade, Bagade ka C, correct answer. Te kane ngamla areban ong kumno ba kadai ke kita correct answer na kanam tamar ba ha ka set A kadai question number 11 taba kadai kane ju ka jingli tama ka answer by the C the land of hidden valley ten kine te gemde re te kine astde hi goi te ngamla areban ong kadai te sakomen kadai ka Meghalaya ne kadai ka Sikkim marba ka fer te se thu ya ka set C and D ru ki I answer ki ya ka then which state in India received the highest rainfall? Meghalaya. How many bones are there in the adult human body? 206. Easy. In a clock, if what hour hand and the minute hand is on 3, what time does it show? 3:15. Which planet is known as the red planet? Kanderusuk. Mars. Where is the only airport in Nagaland located? Dimapur. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Wind. Which is the largest river in Meghalaya? Katurusuk. Simsang. What is the name of the famous festival celebrated in Nagaland known for its cultural performance and traditional sports? Hornbill Festival. Yalong Park is located in which district of Meghalaya? Very easy, West Jaintia Hill. In which state the Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in Northeast India, Kanderusuk, Manipur. The seven sister refers to seven states of Northeast India. On which of the river is the Khandong Dam Bill? Kopili River. Which state is known as the land of the rising sun? Arunachal Pradesh. The uni porlog bul ay kani jingkali ada kibyang lut baro akat kum ka answer ki jong kani ka number set B mut ba uyo lanya comment kong mut ba uyo 50 out of 50 sanpo nak sanpo tang ba kitigi artali pin klumar question number 12 bat ka number A telah tikana ba ka bakla ka answer ki dre ha ka number 12 de confuse nomor ba ketika Meghalaya ketika Sikkim te artali ki set laga jong answer te sapej phiyo karno sa comment te karno ka badai kan ethu lam jong ka set C and set D hangno ka dai hano ka bakla te tangkan nei khule jibon